Miss Asia Pacific International, India.
Lot of international pageant nowadays. So why pageant fans should also give attention or focus to Miss Asia Pacific International?
Mabuhay Philippines. I am Danube Kangjam representing India. I feel that Miss Asia Pacific International has carried on this legacy of more than 6 decades, and it has been empowering women and giving wings to a lot of us. From India, we have Jeanette Aman, Dia Mirja, whom I literally worship and look up to. And they have been inspiring a lot of Indians as well as the girls and youths everywhere worldwide. So it is such a platform where you can step in as a girl and come out as a woman. So that's why all the media houses, all these youths who are focused into beauty pageants must also focus on Miss Asia Pacific International like that.
Yes,
thank you.
Yes, thank you so much.
Representing the beauty of her country, Danube Kangjam graces the stage in a national costume inspired by the lotus, the national flower of India. From her homeland of Manipur blooms the rare Shirui lily, a flower found nowhere else in the world. The pure white of her costume reflects her prayer for peace and hope for the world, and also for her own motherland. Adorned with golden jewelry, Danube honors India's strength, prosperity, and timeless traditions.